Nababo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to ARE Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our ARE Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank DeLeecious Pampanga for sending us their products. On our table is a mix of yung mga favorite dishes nila. So, according to our orientation with the owner, nagsimula po siya na nagluluto lang talaga sa bahay. The business was established last year, 2020, June. And now, these are their best sellers. So what do we have on our table? Guys, on our table, starting off in the middle, so this is their CALZONE. Para sa akin para siyang pizza sa bread stuffed in kung ano yung mga usual ingredients ng pizza. That's a simple explanation. Sobrang magpapasarap pa talaga dito is yung kanilang sauce. Right, so in it, of course, cheese, some meat. Oh wow. This is really great, you know, if you have hot coffee on side, that's a good one. So another dish that they sent us, they call this baked Taco Loco. So ito yung parang pita bread, no? So this is the taco shell, ganyan. Whoa, look at that! So you put it here. I want more. Alright, we have hot sauce, we also have salsa deli, and we also have white sauce deli. So, tikman muna natin siya. Gusto ko muna itong white sauce na to, and then we'll add in salsa later on. Wow! What a great sauce! Sarap! Ang sarap ng cheese niya. There's so many stuff in it with this salsa. I'm gonna put it on top. Yan, gusto kong malasahan kagad yung salsa nila. Fresh tomatoes, herbs, some leaves. Very fresh. Gusto ko yung pagka niya, sour. I'm gonna taste this hot sauce. Oh wow! Super like it. The white sauce is, you know, good. Salsa is better. The hot sauce is the best. Wow. Next dish is yung chunky bao pao. So in it we have flavors of pork asado, we have shrimp, we have chicken, and barbecue. All of them looks really appetizing. From the look of it, hindi dry, hindi malungkot yung pagkain. I wanna taste yung kanilang shrimp because I love seafood, guys. We have oozing cheese on top, some meat floss. Crunchy vegetables. I like yung pinaka-bao bread natin. Parang ito yung ginagamit nila sa mga siopaw, ganyan. I like it has a little bit of flavor, and then sobrang nakaka-enjoy. Sa mga refreshment naman nila, guys, so they sent us a fruity float. The other one naman is a root beer vanilla float. So let's taste it, Whoa, so refreshing. A little bit sour. Tapos yung vanilla, of course, it's very creamy siya. Whoa, so refreshing. Aside from those refreshments, these are actually flavored soya. So sa mga flavors nila, they have soy berry, express soy, merong choc soy, may honeydew soy, at saka very berry soy. Of course, I'm gonna go for this very berry. Oh wow. So again, it's soy based, so expect some, you know, some creaminess, a little bit of powdery taste, mga ganyan. Let me continue, guys. Meron pa silang pinadala sa atin. So this one is their baked sisig Taco Loco. You have some jalapeno, black olives, and then again on top, very evident yung cheese. A lot of cheese, guys. Cheese. This is interesting. So it's a new approach for our sisig. very evident yung medyo parang pagka-chicharon ng pork. A little bit crunchy, a little bit sour din. And then available din dito yung pita bread or yung soft shell natin for the taco. Okay, last one. So, lastly, this is their chili con carne platter. So, in it, you have rice, some nuggets, potato fries. Meron din tayong hash browns and some pita bread. Okay, let me start with this one. So, dip in dun sa ano natin, pinaka chili con carne. Kuha na this way. Oh, wow. Naman na po. How lovely, delicious. Sa mga presentation pa lang guys, it's really eye-appetizing. So guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure to check out DeLeecious Pampanga. We're gonna flash the fan page. Thank you guys for watching. Until then, please stay safe. We hope to see you in the next video. Cheers guys. Peace out.